Are you buying your first home? It's exciting, I know, but it can also be extremely stressful if you don't know what to watch out for. Are you wondering kind of like what steps you need to take first or how to avoid costly mistakes? Well, today I'm going to be answering your most pressing questions and covering the top 5 mistakes that first-time homebuyers usually make in Edmonton and how to avoid them so that you can save time, money, and avoid unnecessary headaches. If you've been searching for how to buy your first home in Edmonton or home buying tips for beginners, then you've come to the right place. I help first-time buyers every week make smart, stress-free decisions. And if you're ready to take that step toward home ownership, reach out to me today because I'm here to guide you through the process and make sure that your experience is seamless and enjoyable. My calendar link is below, and I'd love to connect with you to discuss your goals and get you started on the right path. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tristan, your Edmonton-based realtor dedicated to making your real estate journey smooth and successful. Today's topic is one of the most important ones for first-time buyers. If you've been searching for first-time homebuyer advice or mistakes to avoid when buying a house, then this video is going to answer all of your questions. Buying your first home is a big deal and there's a lot to think about. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. We're talking about common pitfalls that first-time buyers face and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Whether you're just starting your search or planning for the future, these tips are going to help you feel confident and prepared every single step of the way. Okay, mistake number 1, skipping mortgage pre-approval. If you've been thinking about how to get a pre-approved for a mortgage in Edmonton, then this section is specifically for you, because mistake number 1 is skipping mortgage pre-approval. Many buyers get excited about their home search and start looking at homes early without understanding their budget. This can lead to heartbreak if you find the home that you really want only to discover that it's out of reach. And not only that, but without pre-approval, you could face delays in making an offer. And in a competitive market like Edmonton's, this can cost you the home. So what you need to do is connect with a mortgage broker or lender early in the process. You need to prepare your financial documents, such as proof of income, tax returns, credit reports, so that the lender can pre-approve you quickly. By searching for first-time buyer programs like the First-Time Home Buyer Incentive in Edmonton, you can discover opportunities to reduce your monthly mortgage payments. Pre-approval also defines your search criteria, which is going to help you focus on homes that are actually within your budget. I know this already feels overwhelming, but don't worry too much. I can connect you with trusted mortgage brokers and lenders who specialize in working with first-time buyers. I'll guide you to the right professionals, explain the entire process, and even help you identify the programs and incentives that fit your financial situation. Have you been asking yourself, how can I ensure that my first home is a good investment? Well, good, because then this section is for you. Mistake number 2 is ignoring resale value. While your first home might feel like your forever home, the reality is that life happens. Job changes, family growth, or relocations can shift your plans in an instant. So if you don't consider the resale value of your home, then you might find yourself stuck with a property that's hard to sell later or even sells for a loss. Research the neighborhood's growth potential, the amenities. Look for homes near schools, parks, and transit hubs. Use tools like online property value estimators to assess market trends in the area and prioritize versatile layouts and timeless features in the homes like neutral designs and energy efficient upgrades to appeal to future buyers. In order to avoid this, always ask yourself, will this home attract buyers in 5 or 10 years? I know, again, it seems extremely overwhelming, but try not to worry. I provide a detailed market analysis for every property that you're interested in, and I'll show you how the neighborhood is performing. I'll highlight features that add or detract from long-term value and give you honest advice about whether this home is a good investment. My goal is to ensure that your first home is not just a purchase, but it's also a smart financial step for your future. Have you been wondering if a home inspection for your first house is a necessity? Well, let me tell you, the answer is almost always yes. So mistake number 3 is overlooking the importance of a home inspection. In a competitive market, some buyers may feel the pressure to waive their inspection in order to make their offer stand out. This is extremely risky. It could lead to expensive repairs down the line, and I understand that sometimes there's no way getting around it, but if it's avoidable at all, then you should definitely get a home inspection. You should always hire a qualified home inspector and attend the inspection in person if possible. Prepare a list of questions in advance about the home's system symptoms and potential issues. For older homes, you're gonna wanna consider maybe some additional specialty inspections, such as, mold, pest inspections, or sewage inspections, and use the inspection report as a way to negotiate and address specific concerns that you have with the property before you finalize the purchase. I work with a network of trusted home inspectors. I'll help you arrange the inspection. I'll go through the reports with you, and I'll help you negotiate repairs or price adjustments when necessary. This ensures that you're always making an informed decision and you're protecting your investment. If you've been wondering how you're gonna find the best realtor for your situation in Edmonton, then you're not alone. Mistake number 4 is choosing the wrong realtor. This partnership is crucial, and the right realtor can make or break your experience. A realtor who doesn't understand your needs or your situation or the local market dynamics can lead to missed opportunities and unnecessary stress. In order to avoid this, you're gonna wanna interview at least 2 to 3 realtors before making your decision. Ask about their experience with first-time buyers, their knowledge of Edmonton's neighborhoods, and how they're going to approach negotiation. Look for someone who listens to your concerns, offers tailored advice, and has a track record of success. So I do specialize in working with first-time buyers. My extensive knowledge of Edmonton's neighborhoods allows me to recommend areas that fits your lifestyle and budget. I provide a personalized approach, guiding you step by step and advocating for your best interests during negotiations. Okay, mistake number 5 is a big one. Not a lot of people tend to think about this, but mistake number 5 is letting your emotions rule your decisions. It's easy to get attached to a home that seems perfect, but if it's out of budget or it doesn't meet your long-term needs, then it's just simply not the right choice. So what you need to do is create a checklist of must-haves, nice-to-haves, and deal breakers. Bring a trusted friend or family member to viewings to provide an objective opinion. Make a pros and cons list for each home in order to weigh its practical benefits against its emotional appeal. Set a firm budget and stick to it no matter how tempting a home might be. I provide tools to help you stay focused on your priorities while offering a different objective perspective during emotional moments. I'll ensure that your decision aligns with both your needs and your long-term goals. This is going to make the process a lot more exciting and fulfilling, and you're not going to experience any regrets later on when the emotions settle down. So there you have it, the top 5 mistakes that first-time homebuyers make and how you can avoid them. I hope this video has provided a little bit of clarity and confidence that you need. I want to know, what are your biggest fears or questions about buying your first home? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be responding personally to as many as I can. If you're ready to start your journey, then let's connect. I'm here to answer your questions, guide you through the process, and make sure that your experience is smooth and, most importantly, enjoyable. Click the link in the description to schedule a free, no pressure consultation with me today, and don't let these mistakes hold you back from your dream home. Let's make it happen together.